Hello, are you finding that your winter lawn's coming in kind of spotty? That's what this video is about. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. And there's several reasons lawns can be spotty as they're coming in. You know, the first couple weeks, what we'll notice is that the winter rye tends to start to fill in better in shaded areas than it does in the full sun areas. And I'll be sure to add some B-roll here so you can kind of see what we're talking about. But we always notice that it takes a little bit longer in full sun areas than it does in the shade. It's just something really interesting that we've caught over the years, and I thought I would share it because we have been getting questions more recently about it. But also the other reasons, of course, proper coverage, with the sprinklers. You want to make sure all areas of the yard are getting the water they need. Remember, you're trying to keep the seed moist during this germination period, and it's got to stay moist for at least 2 weeks for it really to come through. And we recommend just continuing that heavy watering through, through till up to the first mow, which is usually 3 to 4 weeks after servicing the property. But we also recommend adding seed in these bare areas after like the 3rd or 4th week. Usually by then you'll really notice, even in the full sun areas, what areas aren't going to come up. And if it's already getting really cool out at night, we even recommend adding a little bit of a soil topper or a mulch topper over the seed just to make sure it's warm enough and holds the moisture well enough for the rest of the germination period. So if you have any other questions, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Check out our website at AZLawns.com. Subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels at AMS Landscaping, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram at AZLawns. Make it a great day.